Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
2 encounters in 2 days, 9 militants killed. Now both the encounters took place in South Kashmir's Shopian district. Now security forces say they had inputs about the presence of militants at Rihab area in Shopian on Sunday when the operation was started, that ended with the killing of 5 militants including a top commander of Hizbul Mujahideen, and the encounter on Monday in Pinjura village in Shopian. 4 militants were gunned down in that encounter. Now security forces had a very clear input about the presence of militants. The operation was started in the night itself, and on the first light a contact was established with the hiding militants. There was a gunfight, and at the end of that 4 militants were killed. Now police say that all the 4 belong to Hizbul Mujahideen. These include 2 top commanders.
पिंजूरा गांव में एक घर पे कॉर्डन किया। कॉर्डन करते वक्त वहां फायरिंग हुई और उसके जवाबी कार्रवाई में 4 टेररिस्ट मारे गए। सर भारी मात्रा में असला और एम्यूनिशन मिला है। सर ये काफ़ी बड़ी कामयाबी है सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस के लिए, और हम उम्मीद रखते हैं कि इससे जो टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं जो साउथ कश्मीर में ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं उनको काफ़ी धक्का लगेगा और यहाँ का जो माहौल है वो और सिक्योर है।
Now in all, 9 militants, all of them from Hizbul Mujahideen, have been killed in 2 separate encounters in South Kashmir in the last 2 days. Clearly, the security forces have stepped up their operations against militants in the Kashmir Valley. In this year so far, more than 80 militants and their commanders have been killed in different operations, most of them in South Kashmir. Now, all of those are joint operations by the police and the army. In Monday's encounter, we're told 2 army men were injured, but they have minor injuries. But besides that, there are no damage. So the news is that 9 militants of Hizbul Mujahideen have been killed in South Kashmir's Shopian district in 2 encounters in 2 days. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal.